My name's Joseph Kreps. I'm a DUI defense attorney in the state of Alabama. I want to talk to you a little today about the unfairness as it relates to DUI laws across the country and specifically in Alabama, and how it affects you as a normal United States citizen living in the state of Alabama, and what you need to look out for and be aware of. The legal limit in the state of Alabama for driving is 0.08 grams per 210 liters. And that is where we get the legal limit of 0.08. However, many people out there are unaware that you can be charged with DUI, arrested, thrown in jail, have to stay in jail for quite some time in most circumstances if your blood alcohol is less than 0.08, or if you refuse to submit to the Draeger breath test. The way the law is applied in Alabama today is if you smell like alcohol and you have a traffic violation that has been committed and you were stopped, then the chances of you being arrested and thrown in jail are very, very high. I would say 80 to 90, almost 100%. Very high. The days of someone being stopped and running through field sobriety tests and the person passing those tests and not being arrested are over. It just does not happen much anymore at all. And so you need to be very, very careful when you choose to have any amount of alcohol to drink and drive, because you think that the law is 0.08 or greater, and I have plenty of cases that indicate otherwise. I've got 0.00 DUIs, I've got 0.06 DUIs, 0.02, 0.03, all kinds. And it's unfortunate because alcohol is such a big issue in our society, and it is enjoyed responsibly by many people. But if you enjoy it responsibly and you get behind the wheel of a car and you commit a traffic offense and you get pulled over, you're going to jail. And that's the bottom line as to the way the law is applied these days. And if you don't believe it, then you can talk to people who are out there and they can tell you the way the law is applied, because there are a lot of people getting arrested that probably otherwise would not be arrested for driving under the influence 10 years ago. So it's important that you know that, you understand it, and that you're aware of it. The other issue that you need to make sure that you're aware of is if you have a commercial driver's license. If you have a commercial license and you have any amount of alcohol to drink and get behind the wheel of a car, you are asking for major, major trouble. Let me explain to you why. You have a Class A license, which is a commercial license, and a D license, which is your personal license, and you are pulled over for driving under the influence on a Saturday afternoon after a football game, and you refuse the breath test because you've had a few beers and you think you may be over 0.08. You refuse the test. If you refuse the test, your D license, which is your personal license, will be taken from you for a period of 90 days. However, your A license, your commercial license, will be taken from you for a period of 1 year, even though you were in your personal vehicle. If you drive a truck for a living, do not put yourself in that position. Don't do it. It is never worth it. You could lose your ability to feed your family, to make an income with your Class A license. That is very serious. If you have a CDL, a commercial driver's license, do not ever, whether you are in your truck, whether you are in a personal vehicle, ever get behind the wheel of a car or a truck after having had any amount of alcohol, because you could lose everything for that. And I don't want that to happen to you. My name's Joseph Kreps, and I'm a DUI defense attorney in the state of Alabama. If you've been charged with DUI, whether you have a regular license, a commercial license, whether you live in Alabama, whether you're located out of state, we want to talk to you. All you have to do is call us to begin the conversation. You can reach us at 866-348-2889. I've handled thousands and thousands and thousands of DUI and related traffic offenses in the state of Alabama. I can help you. All you have to do is call me. 866-348-2889. Or you can visit our website, alabama-DUI-attorney.com. That's the symbol dash attorney.com. Thank you.